Who can wire a temperature transmitter faster? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video where we will try to find out in a contest who's faster at wiring a head-mount transmitter using push-in terminals represented by Teresa or the old school way with screws, with the help of our friend Dietmar. Ready? Set. Go! The contest just began and Teresa is already hitting the home stretch. Without using any tools, all leads sit tight and secure in the corrosion-free clamp connection. And there it is. We have a signal in just under 16 seconds. And while Teresa is already closing the lid, Dietmar is still working. And working. And working. And finally, and the winner is the push-in terminals by Endres and Hauser. Congratulations, Teresa. Great job. Want to see a wide range of temperature transmitters available with push-in terminals? Check out the link in the description below.